see. Okay, so this is day 5 of system mapping, where I map out my routines, my habits, my current state of being for 7 days to get a baseline understanding of me and myself. And after the 7 days is up, then I can experiment more to work towards making that baseline level better in every metric. But the 4 main metric that I am measuring or very fixated and focused on, because I believe they're the most important right now, are food, sleep, focus, and energy. So I'm finna go over to my notes and update for day 5, where I've been doing this for 5 days now. And I got an update on the note. So if you looked at my old screens, you'll see that they weren't as informative or efficient as this. So this is the new revised version. So I'm just going to try to make this video as short as possible. I'm trying to work on doing things faster. But the bedtime. So I did record this time. It was a pretty good night. So the watch say. Let's see. So my bedtime was at 11:30. Yes, 11:30 a.m. p.m. Yeah. My wake time was 6:29. Something that I did different today, I'm gonna put that at the end. But my total sleep, 6 hours and 20 minutes. My deep sleep, 1 hour 28 minutes. The REM sleep, 1 hour 31 minutes. Time to fall asleep, I believe it was 22 minutes. Sleep quality 1 out of 10. Well, my sleep score is a 84, so that's like a 8. Food X hydration. So meal 1 time. So this is one of the updates that I've made. But I ate around 9 o'clock, so 9 a.m. Foods. So like when I get to working on this very intensely, and like very like inside, I'm gonna make sure like the exact time I'm eating at is tracked. Like that need to be known. Foods, I'm gonna eat the general breakfast. Let me see. It's a shake that I eat almost every day, really. It's like the best in terms of affordability and nutrition wise. It's a long list. I really don't even want to put it, but I kind of have to know. And like I can just copy this and put it on the future ones, because I eat the same meals really every day. Whole milk, banana, peanut butter. Let's see what else. extra virgin olive oil, whey protein powder, and oatmeal. Okay, so that wasn't too hard to write. The amount of calories I ate, the amount of calories that was like 1,174 calories. So that was a great breakfast for me. Olive oil. Meal 2. It looks good. Meal 2. I ate meal 2 around, it was like 2 o'clock, I believe. Like 2:50. Just gonna check how long I've been live so far. So 6 minutes, okay. I'm not doing bad. Not too bad. Okay. Foods. Chicken. And olive oil. The calories. I usually 772. Okay. Meal 3. Didn't eat meal 3 today. Just skipped it. Just didn't have enough time today because I didn't schedule it properly. Water ounces. I didn't measure that on my app, but just going by how many cups I had, I would say like 40, like 45 ounces. 45. Electrolytes, none. Hydration score, like a 5. Daily totals calories, that's 772 plus 1174, which is 800. Like 2020 ish. Protein, carbs. Oh my gosh, I didn't even have all this, but I could do it real quick. Okay, so the actual total, it's like 1943. There we go. Protein, carbs, protein 100. 6. Carbs 1, 2, 3. Fat 114.5. Food quality, like an 8. It would be higher if I ate the full course meals, but I didn't get to finish. Processed foods, none. Supplements, I took the vitamin D3, 2000 IU. And omega, hopefully I'm being loud enough. Omega-3 fish oil, I only took 1 capsule today, 1,000 milligrams. Movement, I did walk a lot today. Steps, Well, I don't know if this is a lot, but it's more than my usual baseline. 5,000 exercise, walking, sunlight exposure, 18 minutes. Time outside, 18 minutes. Focus score, it's still too terrible. It's 2. Really, I want to put it at 1. I have to be ultra realistic with this. Like, I know it can be way better. I was productive, probably like 30 minutes, man, tops. Main task, just upload. Just upload. Upload video. Biggest distraction, Gmail. Gmail, let me put it, because there's multiple. Gmail and learning. Learning unnecessary. Learning unnecessary stuff at the moment. Like this was this is such a distraction. Learning unnecessary stuff. Like, I remember when I was in like 6th or 7th grade, and I was like, I don't want to learn 6th or 7th grade math. I might as well just learn college math. So I was on my phone learning college math for no reason. Like, just because, like, the idea, it just made sense for me to learn the college math instead of like learning the baseline math. And I was genuinely learning the college math. Like, it just didn't make sense, man. Like, I was skipping steps too much. Mental clarity, though. The mental clarity was there. Not that high, but it was there. Just didn't. I just didn't execute. Just did not execute. Energy, Samsung energy score, 85. Morning energy. It was pretty fair. 6. Afternoon energy, that was kind of crash around 3. So I would say like a 3. Evening energy, I'd say that's now just low. Lowest energy point right now, 8:38. Highest energy point in the morning, so it's like 8 o'clock. Yeah, it was like 8, because I was walking at 8 a.m. p.m. So yeah, if you look at my old notes, you will see the massive difference in between, like, how informative and useful this is compared to the old version. Mood score, I would say my mood is pretty stable right now, but still not at its highest from what I felt once before. Stress score, probably like a 6 out of 10. Motivation score, it's pretty prominent, like 6. I'd say 5. Variables that changed today: sleep, bedtime. So yeah, the sleep did change. I went from like 2 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. Food. Let me go back and look at this. Wake time. So yeah, this is bad compared to my other version. The food. Yeah, so 1,100 calories. correct? 1943. My water. It's like 36, I believe, in the last one. That's yeah, 36. Okay, so I went from 36 ounces to 45 ounces. No, it stands to increase energy. That walk for sure did it. For sure. And morning light exposure. So I'm on day like 4 of light of my 5-day sunlight exposure. And that's been going fairly well. Today again though, it was very clouded like I expected, but it's definitely better than the days where there was no sun, like where I didn't go outside at all. So I say, like, even if there's clouds blocking the sunlight, there's still UV rays beaming through the clouds, so it's still enough to help you jumpstart the day. May not be enough to start the circadian rhythm properly, or at all really, but things that decrease energy, but it's enough to like help. Things that decrease my energy: waiting for information. Like, if any of you all, got some news you're waiting on, or anything that you can't fix now, it don't even have to be news or information, but if you have anything that's out of your control completely, and you're just waiting anxiously to figure it out when it can't be figured out because it's not in your hands at the moment, that can tire you, and that can really make you feel drained. So that's what made me feel drained as much as it did today, or at least what I've noticed today. Unusual events. No, none. New supplements, no. So I'm completely done. This is it. And of course, I may revise the setup for this. So, like the template, I may revise the template in the future. I'm sure I'm gonna have to. Just notice things that aren't necessarily need to be here, and some things that should be here. So yeah, that what comes with leveling up. So yeah, this look accurate. And yeah, like I said in my previous screen, for day 4, I'm doing a 5-day experiment to where I do sunlight exposure every time I wake up, as soon as I wake up, to see what energy boost I get from it, like what levels of energy boost I get from it, if any at all. Also, the notes or the live screen that I'm doing currently is for 7 days, and after that 7 days of me noting my baseline levels of food, sleep, energy, focus, and getting a report of the average of all of those things. After I get it all done, after 7 days, I will then start doing more extensive research and experiments to try to, create the best version of each. So try to get the most, like, perfect, if you want to call it that, the most optimized level of calories per day, the most optimized amount of time to sleep. So I'll do research on deep sleep, REM sleep, all of that, things that affect sleep quality. Energy, I'll try to do research on what makes a person feel energized mentally, physically, all of that. Focus, the same, what apps I can use to mitigate distractions, minimize distractions? What can I use to amplify my focus? All of that I'll be searching, doing research on, and actually doing experiments on to get a complete understanding of these things, because it's completely necessary for anybody. So yeah, that's it for day 5. And yeah, if you want to see how these experiments go, stick around, and y'all have a good night.